Homestead Handyman here. Show you the latest project that I'm going to do on the camper. Right here we have this A-frame jack that uses a crank handle on there. You can see it's pretty worn out. And I've had a lot of shoulder surgery and I'm pretty worn out. So I'm going to put on a new A-frame jack that is powered by the battery. And alright, let's get started. Okay, here's a look at the unit. It is by Ram. It is a 3,500 pound capacity. There's the item number. Got it on Amazon. Has a headlight in it, or a light so you can see if it's nighttime. And has a jack handle in there also in case the thing quits. Okay, so I have the camper jacked up here. I have the stabilizer jacks just to keep it so it doesn't move. And then also I have this here log under there so it's well supported, and I'm just not going to get underneath it in case of anything. You could back up and put your truck on here if you wanted to. So let me get started here. The first thing I got to do is get all of these 3 bolts here loosened up. And so this is a pretty easy job to do here according to the directions. Okay, once you have the bolts all removed, all you have to do is take this and lift it up and take it out of there. Alright, so I got the new part right here. Got everything out of there. Nice. And it looks like you have to take off the bottom here where it has this plate here. Right here. So we'll take that off for now. And then we take the unit and place it in the hole. And then I'm going to have to bolt it down here. Well, it looks like the chains here are hitting down here. So I'm going to have to go and take those loose and see what I can figure out. Okay, here's a look down here. Where my finger is, down right there, you can see that there's the chains that are on this side are blocking it. So I'm going to have to loosen that up, try to clear that so I can get the jack down into it. Okay, I got the chains out of the way and got it to slide down. When you put the bolts in, the directions say that, as you can see here, there's a special washer there. Well, that washer needs to go between the flat washer and the frame right here. And it's going to scratch the paint off of here, and that's going to make your ground, because this is only one wire that is your hot wire, and this grounds the unit. So let me get those bolts installed. So I'm laying underneath the camper now, and I was able to find a junction box right here, right by the tongue, that I could put the black wire that they've supplied on there, which is your positive in this case, and I could tie it right in the wire nut here, and it just fit in the conduit fitting. So that's all installed there, and I'm just going to neaten up the wiring and shut this box up. Alright, well, I got this thing all installed. I got the kick plate back on down the bottom here, and I adjusted it to where I think it's going to need to be. Have a cap at the top here that you can take off and put the crank handle in here if you need to, in case your battery goes dead or this thing starts to malfunction and you have an issue and you have to take care of that. In the front, it has a light, an LED light in there, and your up and down button, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see, I push down it goes, no, that's the other way. There's down. Push down, and it's starting to go. It's very slow, but it's better than cranking. And there we go, it's about to hit the ground. These are tight now. You can hear it starting to lift, and it's lifted it up. And you just put it the other way, and it's back down, and this is not connected there. So I'm very happy with this install, and this is going to make life easier on the road. Can't wait to get going. If you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe, and give me the old thumbs up. This is the Homestead Handyman, out.